feature helps users to increase the speed of the device's performance by removing applications running in the background to take up RAM space. There are applications, even though you have exited the application, but it continues to work in the background. It also has the ability to optimize the gaming capabilities of the device so that they operate in the most possible way. Most people know that games are heavy tasks and consume a lot of power and battery. So thanks to the help of the application, the player will have great gaming experience.
Enemy contact.
Lost the lead.
Targets in sight. Enemy contact.
We've taken the lead.
Changing back.
Changing mag. Cover me. Enemy in sight. Enemy in sight. Enemy in sight. Targets in sight.